Chat GPT. Everyone is talking about this. Question is, what is it? Well, it is a chat robot. It is artificial intelligence that essentially can write all of this code for you. It could actually write descriptions and meta tags, and it can do pretty much anything you ask it to do in terms of writing descriptions for you when we're talking about e-commerce and so on. Of course, everybody talks about artificial intelligence art, AI art, and now all the descriptions with Chat GPT is kind of the new thing when we're talking about artificial intelligence. And this has just come out as open AI. It is so everyone can use it. Now, before we get started in this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos about Chat GPT, e-commerce, and all that. So the question is, how can you exploit this technology? Forget all that information that I just told you. The real reason why you're here is to get rich from ChatGPT. And comment below as to how you think you can accomplish that. But let me tell you exactly how I personally would exploit this technology to the best of my ability and what I do. Basically, when we're talking about ChatGPT, we are referring to the artificial technology that can write coding and can write descriptions, as I just told you. Now, the way to make money from this is to utilize it from great SEO, search engine optimization. So essentially what you're going to do is you can actually get this AI bot to write a bunch of either code for you when we're talking about WordPress and establish the actual website itself for you. And you yourself can actually become a coder essentially just by using this technology for artificial intelligence because it has the knowledge of 10,000, a million people combined. So that's number one, is to establish great SEO. Number two is to create blogs. So essentially the Google algorithm can pick you up over everyone else in your niche market, whatever you're selling, whether you're selling blue light glasses or whether you're selling hats, t-shirts, it doesn't matter, clothing business. You are going to be ahead of everyone else just by utilizing this technology right now because it is so brand new. Google algorithm is going to signal that you have the best tags, you have the best descriptions, you have the best keywords, search engine optimization itself, because the artificial intelligence already knows all of the best tags itself. So that meaning you would be able to go ahead of everyone else in terms of the algorithm on either Google, Bing, Yahoo, all the search engines. And that's no exaggeration here, because the artificial intelligence again is the best at recognizing what the best SEO is, the best blogs. It can write a blog for you within just a couple tweets. And like an entire articles that can be written for you. And again, blogs is tremendous when we're talking about selling online for e-commerce, because that is the best way you get great SEO. The better SEO, the more words you have on your website, the more people click on your website, and the more chance of someone actually purchasing from you. Building mobile apps is another great way to get rich from this programming. Basically, ChatGPT will create, again, all of the best coding, and therefore you can actually create the best mobile apps just based on ChatGPT. Now, my expertise, of course, is basically around e-commerce and e-commerce, selling online, all that great stuff. Now, again, though, mobile apps is tremendous because it has that ability to create code for you. And when you're creating mobile apps, then mobile apps definitely has to have the best coding. It really strives just by you putting in the best codes from there. So again, writing business, that's another great way to also get rich from ChatGPT. And you basically triple your sales essentially overnight just by using this technology. And the artificial intelligence, again, acts as a great tool for you to use this great SEO. So you can utilize it whether you're selling on Shopify, Etsy, eBay, and so on and so forth. And so Now, again, you have to get on this pretty much immediately because 1.5 million people are already, utilizing this tech. I mean, it's more than that. I was trying to exaggerate, but it's actually a hell of a lot more. It's around like 6 million or so, I think, that downloaded it within like 24 hours. I could be wrong about that statistic, but that's what I've heard. So if you get ahead of, your competition, which you very well can, then this is great technology that can be utilized right now for you, and you can definitely get ahead in terms of putting your products via on Google Shopping, let it be picked up on the Google search algorithm, and that is really how you're going to make a bunch of money by utilizing this technology. It's technology that's never going to go away, at least in our lifetimes, unless they shut it down themselves, government or whatever, what have you. But that's highly, highly unlikely. And right now, it's also unregulated for the most part. I mean, this is brand new technology. It's very hard to write laws about technology that is just existing within the last year or so, at least in terms of it being open AI to everyone to use. Of course, artificial intelligence has been around for a while now. It just hasn't been utilized by the public really until now in terms of the actual tags, the chat bots, all that is all new, or at least it just came out. So now, don't get me wrong, there are a lot of downfalls of artificial technology. I mean, I don't have to tell you. All you need to do is just watch the movie Terminator, and I really hope that movie doesn't become a documentary one day, because that is essentially, according to Elon Musk, where we are starting to be headed toward. And it is scary. I mean, we don't even need Elon Musk to tell us that. You can just watch the movie Terminator, and it's all there. It's all definitely possible in the future. God help us all. But we're not there yet, thank God. And so the best way to really go with the flow in terms of you trying to exploit this technology as much as you possibly can is to at least take some of the advice in this video, if not all of it. And I just wanted to share that with you, and I really appreciate you guys taking a look at this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And if you like this one, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.